Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the various security features in your Tally ERP9 software. If many persons are using the accounting software and if you want to uh, use some security feature by way of that data entry person will only do the data entry. He cannot alter or delete anything from your Tally ERP9. He cannot see the various reports. Then you can also configure such by using the security features. Let us start how it can be worked. Just press Alter plus F3. It will ask you to the alter menu. Here you have to alter. Now here you have to write use security control as a yes. Here you have to write your name of the administrator and the password. As and when you repeat the password, it will warn forgetting your password will render your Tally data inaccessible. Just press enter and save. It will ask you to reload the company. Just press yes. Now your company is reload. If you press wrong password, then it will not allow you to open the company. If you write wrong ID, then it will also not allow to open the company. So please do the right entry of user ID as well as the password. Now again you press Alter F3, you will find that now the security control menu will activated. At first security control menu is not activated. As and when I write my security control yes in my company alteration tab, the security control menu will be activated. I just go to the security menu. Now here I can create my password policy. If you activate the password policy, it will ask you whether the password minimum length, you can determine your minimum length of the password. You can also specify the various parameter, same for example alphanumeric, numeric or any special character. It will also ask whether the password expiry when it will happen, same for example 30 days, 90 days. It will also configure whether you want to change the password on your first login or not. In this way you can create the password policy. Next, type of security. The Tally has given three type of security. You can also add here the security level. Suppose I am adding here security level manager. Here I can have to select security list. Suppose I am selecting the owner. Suppose I am selecting here the days allows for backdated voucher entry. So I am allowing the manager to do the entry for my 30 days. Then he can allow to do the entry for the purpose of 30 days. Here I can create default disallow facility. Suppose I want to disallow him the ledger voucher details. I want to disallow something else, same for example check printing at extra. So I can disallow here. I can allow him anything as per my requirement. So this is the allowable features. I can also add another security level. This is by default data entry feature. Security level is given by the Tally. Now as and when you press enter, you will find the security level for my data entry. So here data entry, the person who is doing data entry, I have to use the security list at a data entry only. Here if you are selecting that days allowed for your backdated voucher is 0, then it will not allow the backdated voucher to the person who is doing the data entry in your Tally ERP9. Now by default the Tally has given many disallow facility to the data entry operator. Here you will find that many facility is disallowed to your data entry operator. Here you can allow any facility to your data entry operator. Here allow the following facility. You can allow any disallow facility by creating here the list. So in this way you can make the security list for your data entry operator. Now I am making the various password for my various users. Suppose I am making the data entry user ID 2, owner user ID is 3, and I am pressing enter. Now suppose I am shut down this company and I am opening this company with my data entry tab. This is data entry user ID and this is data entry password. So as and when I open the company, you will find that on a gateway of Tally there is no balance sheet, P&L account is appearing. You will find that many options are gone as and when you open my company with the user ID and password of my data entry operator. Suppose I am making the entry for my data entry of municipal tax and I am making just enter, you can find that entry will be done. Suppose I am making any backdated entry and I have disallowed the backdated entry to my data entry operator, then it will not allow the data entry operator to do the backdated entry. Suppose now I am shut down my company and I am login with the user ID and password of my manager, then now you will find that the balance sheet, P&L, stock summary, ratio analysis, everything is activated. So in this way, you can use the various security feature as well as you can also create various security level password policy, user ID and password or in your Tally ERP9 to protect your data or to protect the data